my channel. As you can see today, we are really close up, and there's a purpose to that. Today, I'm going to show you how to do your eyebrows. I feel like everybody should have a little routine of how they do their eyebrows, and just like a little step-by-step of what you can do to make them look better. So the first thing that you're gonna do is to brush them up like so with a spoolie and see if you have any hairs that just stick out. Now, the reasoning of doing this is if you do have any stray hairs, you're gonna cut them out and just make it as flat as possible. If you find any hairs that go a little bit too above or they look a little bit crazy, you go with your scissor and you cut that little hair out. And after you do that, you're just gonna comb it back in place. The next thing that I like to do when I do my eyebrows, I like to tweeze my eyebrows if I see that there's any hairs there aren't supposed to be there. I like to shape them a little bit if they seem a little bit out of shape. And I just go with any single one that I see that's maybe too much. I tried to already film this video once, so I don't have that many hairs to begin with that I need to fix. So that's why it's a little bit cleaner than what it was before. But I do still have 2 or 3 little hairs left. So I'm just cleaning that up. And once your eyebrow is tweezed and groomed, you're gonna start taking your favorite pomade or your favorite eyebrow pencil, and you're gonna start lining your eyebrow. Now, I like using my Eyebrow by Benefit. This one is already pretty old, so it was a little bit dried up, but a nice trick that you can do is put a little bit of coconut oil, a little bit inside, and then just spin it around, and it will make it almost like new. Like, you don't have to throw it away because it's all dried up. You can keep using it until it's actually gone. Just take a little bit, and we're gonna start shaping our brow. So the way that I like to do mine, I like to look up in a little mirror like this, and I just put my head up a little bit and I start looking at the bottom, like the sharpness of the bottom right here. And what I like to do is to just line them up, kind of like doing just a nice straight line and then going down in my tail. Okay, and that's what we're gonna do. So there we go, we have that first line there. And now the next thing that I like to do is to do the top one. So we're gonna do that now. I kind of like leaving a little space right here, just so I can then do like hand painted hairs and make them look a little bit more natural. And now we're just gonna start filling it in. I like doing some brush strokes going up, kind of like if it was little pieces of hair, like if it was your actual eyebrow. I don't know, I feel like it makes it look a little bit less intense and a little bit more in the natural side. So we're gonna be doing that. that is partially done. Now the next step that you can do is brush the hairs up so you can start blending it in a little bit more and not look so intense. Oh wow. Oh wow, okay. This is not cute. And to set it, I like to go with brow powder or an eyeshadow palette that's in the shade that you have your eyebrows. Mine is like between dark brown and black, so that's what I do. I'm just gonna go and just fill it in one more time and just set that pomade really good. So now to clean it up a little bit, I'm going to take a little bit of concealer or foundation or something to just clean it up, and I'm gonna use this flat brush right here, this flat foundation brush, and I'm just gonna start cleaning up the brow from front to tip and just doing kind of like the shape that I want and cleaning up any edges that I feel that I made a little bit of a mess. So that's what we're doing, and also the top. So just like that, it's a little bit sharper, it's a little bit cleaner, and we're gonna do the same thing on the top. Alright, now brush it up a little bit more again, and we're done. This is the eyebrow that has been groomed and also filled in and everything, and this is the eyebrow that I have not done anything. And I need to tweeze and do all those good stuffs, like right here. So I hope that you see a difference. I'm pretty sure that you can see a good difference. So there we go. And that's it, guys. This is my eyebrow tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I hope that you guys found it helpful. And don't forget, I'm going to be uploading every Monday and Friday, so just stay tuned for that. All right, guys, this is it. Have a great day, and I'll see you all later. Bye.